Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Microsoft Store error code 0x800B010FI solve. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and after doing this step run the Windows Store app. Run it. The second method is that in the search box type a WS reset. The third method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your apps, click on apps and features. In the search box type a store, click on these three dots and go to your advanced options, scroll down, click on repair. After that select a reset and close it. The next method is that in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrative privileges. After opening that, first of all type a command is ipconfig space slash slash DNS. After that type a command is ipconfig space slash registered DNS. After that type a command is ipconfig space slash release. After doing this type a command is ipconfig space slash renew. After that type a command is net sh winsock reset. After doing this exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. Guys, the last method is that open any browser, go to your any search engine and type a Windows 11 download. Click on first link, scroll down and click on download now. Create Windows 11 is installation media. Click on download now, save button. After doing this step, open it. Click on accept button. Click on next button. Select the ISO file. Click on next button. Save any location. The process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete the process. Now after that, automatically restart your computer, and after restart your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Now you can see data. In my cases, my PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirement. And if your computer is according to your Windows 11 requirement, then it's automatically restart your installed and restart your computer. After doing this, that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.